Did you know that the first recorded birth in human history came with a profound realization of God's help? Today, we explore Genesis chapter 4 verse 1-2. This passage reveals the beginning of the first family and humanity's new life outside the Garden of Eden. Let's read the verses together. Adam made love to his wife Eve, and she became pregnant and gave birth to Cain. She said, "With the help of the Lord I have brought forth a man." Later she gave birth to his brother Abel. This passage shows a significant moment in humanity's story. It reveals three profound realities of our existence. First, the continuation of life. Even after the pain of the fall, God's blessing remains, and new life flourishes. Second, the necessity of divine partnership. Eve acknowledges that she could not bring forth this new life and step into this new season without the Lord's help. Third, the beginning of community. With the birth of Cain and Abel, the complexities of human relationships and family dynamics begin. So, how does this apply today? Like Eve, when we experience breakthroughs, new beginnings, or personal successes, we must remember where our strength comes from. We might be tempted to take all the credit for our hard work, our creations, or our families, forgetting the divine help that makes it all possible. Genesis chapter 4 verse 1-2 teaches us that every good gift and new season is a partnership with God. It reminds us to anchor our victories in His grace. Think about your own life. Are you recognizing God's hand in your daily victories and milestones? Instead of claiming all the glory, are you pausing to say, "With the help of the Lord"? Let's take a moment to pray. Lord, thank you for being our ultimate helper and the giver of all good things. Help us to constantly recognize your hand in our daily blessings and to always give you the credit for our successes. In Jesus' name, Amen. If this video helped you, share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Join us next time on our journey through the Bible, step by step.